Question 29 of the WASSCE 2019 Mathematics Past Question, that's your WAEC 2019. It says find the angle which an arc of length 22 centimeters subtends at the center of circle of radius 15 centimeter. So we have a circle, all right, sorry for my circle, all right, and we have an arc. We've been told the arc is what? Has a length of 22 centimeter. We're looking for the angle which the arc subtends, theta. That's what we're looking for, and we've been told the radius, which is what, 15 centimeter. Okay, so definitely we know, for we've done this length of an arc. Length of an arc is what? Length of an arc is equal to what? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. But here we're looking for theta. Is that not it? We know our length as what? 22. So let us solve. So we have 22 is equal to what? Theta over 360 times, we have a 2 times our pi, we're giving us 22 over 7. Radius is what? 15 times what? 15. Okay, so from here, what do we do? Okay, let's take everything here. This 360 and 7, let's take it up here. We have 22 times 360 times 7, then divide everything by 22, 22 and 15. So we have 2 times 22 times what? 15 equal to what? Theta. All right, so this will cancel out this. I'm just trying to break this down so we can easily punch it in our calculator. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 180. Okay, so when you punch in your calculator 180 times 7 divided by 15, what are we going to have? We're going to have what? 84. Okay, so theta is equal to what? 84 degree. So this is our answer, and our right option here is option B.